Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Python, you can dynamically create classes programmatically using the type function. The type function is not only used to retrieve the type of an object but also to create new types dynamically. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a class programmatically. In Python, type is a metaclass. A metaclass is a class of a class. When you call type, object, it returns the type of the object. When you call type, class_name, bases, dict, it creates a new class with the specified name, base classes, and dictionary of attributes. Let's start by creating a simple class with attributes and methods. You can specify base classes when creating a class dynamically. You can also use metaclasses to dynamically create classes. A metaclass is a class of a class, and it allows you to customize class creation. Remember that while dynamic class creation can be powerful, it should be used judiciously, as it may make your code harder to understand and maintain. ChatGPT.